So welcome back to course of Python. We'll continue with the operators. In this session, we will discuss about the comparison operator, logical operator, and identity operator, membership operator, and then the bitwise operator. The comparison operator, like comparing values. The outcome of the comparison is a Boolean value, that is a true or a false. That is what is the outcome. So we have double equal to for checking the equality, not equal to for checking not equal to greater than, and then lesser than, greater than or equal to, or lesser than or equal to. So we start with the program so that we will understand it in a much better way. So the operators. So this is the comparison operator. So what are the different comparison operators? So checking for the equality, not equality, right? And then greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to. These are all the different comparison operator. So let's have some expression. So we can say result is equal to x is equal to y. So as x is not equal to y, because x is 5, y is 3, it is going to return false. So it says false. So like this, we can check for not equal to, greater than, equal to. Let us quickly do all those things. So this is the explanatory symbol followed by equal to, that is not equal to. So it's true because it was false. So it's as x is not equal to y, then it is going to say it's not equal to y. So this is true, right? So in this way, we can use the operators, comparison operators. Let me show one more thing, greater than or equal to. So we wanted to use the greater than or equal to. So x is 5, y is 3, as x is greater than y, so the result would be true. So this is how you can do these operators. And after the comparison operators, what we had was like the logical operators. So here you should have two expressions, one on the left hand side, another one on the right. When I say and, if the both the expression left hand side and right hand side result is actually it gives us a true, then this particular entire expression would be true. Similarly, or means any one of